What's up, tech fans? Buckle up, because today we're diving into the mind-blowing world of xAI's latest breakthrough, Grok 3. This AI is being called the smartest on Earth, and its new features are about to change everything. From DeepSearch to voice mode, let's unpack what Grok 3 means for the future. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. First, let's talk about what makes Grok 3 a game-changer. Developed by Elon Musk's xAI, this AI was trained on a massive supercomputer with 200,000 GPUs. That's 10 times the power of its predecessor, Grok 2. It's like giving a superbrain a turbo boost. So, what's new? Feature number 1, DeepSearch. This isn't just a search engine. It's a next-gen research tool that scans the web and X in real time to give you answers with context. Imagine asking, what's SpaceX's next Starship launch? And Grok 3 doesn't just reply. It shows you its research steps, pulling from 15x posts and 32 web pages in under a minute. It's like having a genius librarian who never sleeps. And get this, it's already outperforming tools like OpenAI's deep research. Plus, it's available to X Premium Plus users, and soon through the Super Grok plan. That's right, for $30 a month, you get unlimited deep search and image generation. Talk about bang for your buck. Next up, voice mode. Coming soon to the Grok iOS app, this feature lets you talk to Grok like it's your best friend. It's not just about answering questions, it's about understanding tone, context, even sarcasm. Picture this. You're cooking, hands covered in dough, and you say, "Grok, how do I fix this recipe disaster?" Boom! It talks you through it. No typing needed. Oh, and it's got vision, so it can see what's on your camera. Burnt cookies? Grok's got you. This is huge for accessibility and productivity. Whether you're a student, a creator, or just curious, voice mode makes AI feel human. And xAI says it's dropping in just weeks. Now, let's talk about the brain power. Grok 3's reasoning models, Grok 3 Reasoning and Grok 3 Mini Reasoning, are crushing it. They scored 93.3% on the 2025 AIME math competition and 84.6% on PhD-level science questions. That's better than OpenAI's GPT-4o and Google's Gemini on key benchmarks. It's like Grok 3 is out here solving quantum physics while sipping coffee. For coders, Grok 3 is your new wingman. It can debug complex code, generate apps, even create games like a Tetris-bejeweled mashup in minutes. And with the Think button, you can see its thought process. Perfect for learning or tackling tough problems. But here's the big question. What does this mean for the future? Grok 3's real-time data processing could revolutionize industries. In healthcare, it's already helping with diagnostics. In finance, it's analyzing trends faster than any human. And for creators like you and me, it's a content machine, writing scripts, editing images, even generating viral social posts. xAI's mission is to understand the universe, and Grok 3 is a massive step toward that. It's not just about answering questions, it's about asking the big ones. Where are the aliens? What's the meaning of life? Grok's out here chasing truth, no filter needed. Here's the kicker. Grok 3 is live now on X, the Grok app, and soon the xAI API. Want to try it? Head to x.ai or grab the app on iOS or Android. And if you're a developer, the API is open for business. The future's here, and it's called Grok 3. So, what do you think? Is Grok 3 the AI to rule them all? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button, and share this video with your tech-loving friends. Subscribe for more AI updates, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out!